All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1037, McVille case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. McVille, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, Leroy is my husband, and we're divorced, but we live back together because we're trying to reconcile.
Okay,
but
well that's good.
The problem is he's not working, and we have 3 kids.
Things just got complicated in this courtroom drama. A once divorced couple is back, not to end things, but to try again. Yes, they're living under the same roof, giving their relationship another shot. But now, they're facing off in court over child support. Here's the twist. The mom says she needs financial help, even though dad is still in the house with the kids. That's right, same address, but separate expectations. The judge is already skeptical. After all, how does child support even apply when both parents live together? Mom claims dad isn't pulling his weight financially. According to her, he's not working enough and isn't stepping up with money. Dad pushes back. He's a part-time truck driver and says he's at home helping with the kids. In his words, he's contributing, just not in the way she wants. But hold on, it gets messier. Real fireworks start when it comes out that dad recently took a solo vacation to Cabo. Mom's not buying the relax and recharge story. She thinks there's more to that trip than sunshine and margaritas. Now the courtroom is heating up, and it's clear this battle isn't just about dollars. It's about trust, effort, and everything in between. Asterisk, asterisk.
The kids.
5,
What
7.
you mean I ain't working?
Sir, I will give you an opportunity to speak in just a moment.
You see why we're divorced?
But you guys are back together trying to work it out, right?
I'm working. I'm driving the truck. I don't drive every day, maybe two days a week or something, but I'm still working. That's working.
2 days a week?
That's something. You spending the money. I'm looking for a full-time job, but
It's
you are
an
working.
interesting
though.
I'm
relationship.
making the money. I'm supposed to spend it.
You said
And you
I
guys
was
live.
working.
You guys live together right now.
Well, see,
temporary,
but the
y'all.
reason I let him back in is because it's expensive. You know, childcare is expensive. So
Okay.
I just decided.
So
he
let me
wanted
ask the
to try to
question
make it
again.
work.
Let me ask the question again. How old are the kids?
5, 7, and 10.
5, 7, 10. Okay. And you all live together with the kids.
Yes, and he agreed. We talked about it, and he agreed that this would be a good arrangement. And
Only
he
reason I
would.
did that
He would.
because you
Hold on
tried.
1 second,
Let me
sir.
finish,
Excuse me.
please.
Excuse
Don't
me.
talk.
Ma'am,
Yes.
do not talk to him.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, Your Honor.
do not talk to her, and definitely do not interrupt me, either of you. Understood?
I understand, but now
You will
whether
get
he
your
understands,
opportunity
different
to
story.
speak in just a moment. Now,
Yeah.
again, you guys live in the same house with the kids, and you're trying to reconcile this.
The mother doesn't waste time. She cuts right to the chase. She says she let her ex move back in because childcare costs were through the roof. Her thinking? 2 parents under one roof would lighten the load. But instead of stepping up, she claims he stepped back. According to her, he's barely working and not covering a single expense. In her words, he's become just one more mouth to feed, and she's reached her breaking point. Their kids are 5, 7, and 10, and this living arrangement was supposed to be temporary. But things haven't gone to plan. While she's juggling everything at home, he's booking flights to Cabo. The tension is real, and the judge is all ears. But then comes the legal curveball. Can a parent even request child support when both parents are living in the same house? The mom believes she can. But the judge is about to bring the law into focus, and it might not be what she wants to hear. Asterisk, asterisk.
Only because of the kids. I didn't
Only
tell
because
him
of the
that, but
kids.
that's
Well, that's not a bad.
That's
I
really
mean,
my reason.
You know, if you're doing it because you believe it's in the best interest of the children, great. I don't see how that household works with you guys arguing like that. But you know,
I'm
that
trying
has
to save
nothing to
money
do with me.
for childcare.
I understand. I understand. So, sir, now's your opportunity to speak. Is what she's saying accurate? You all
Basically,
live together?
We live together. She right. I came back for the kids, just to help them out. That's the only reason I came back. She ain't telling all.
That's not the only reason. Come on.
What's the other reason I
Ma'am,
come back?
didn't
Oh,
you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Please do not interrupt him.
That's the only reason I come back is for the kids to you know, she needs. I'm not working full time. She needs somebody to take care of the kids. They are my kids.
What do you
so
mean not working full time?
Excuse me.
Oh.
That will be the
I'm
last
working
time
2
you
days
have
a
an
week.
outburst,
Yes, sir.
and that will be the last time you talk to her. And I would just dismiss your case, and you guys can go and work this out somehow.
I'm trying to explain it to her. She keep interrupting me.
Well, explain it to me. We're not. I already told you both. We're not going to have these disruptions.
Let me tell you what's really happening here. She's mad because I went to Cabo 2 weeks ago, and
That was a
told
week
her I
ago.
was going. She said, go ahead, go. So I went down to Cabo. Well, we get in a big argument over the phone.
What did you go to Cabo for?
I went down there to relax, have a good time, do a little party and stuff.
Wow.
You know, I work
Okay.
hard when I ain't working on my job. I'm taking care of the kids, cleaning, mopping the floors, cleaning the bathroom, everything.
Sound
you
like
know?
a good man.
No, can we stop
I need
this?
a break too. So anyway, I go down there. She think I'm down there cheating on her, playing around on her and stuff. So she get mad, blowing my phone up. I say, well, you know, she cried, talking about, well, what's going on? I say, well, what you mean what's going on? I told her I was going to go to Cabo. You said go on down there, enjoy yourself. You know, so that's what I did.
Did you enjoy yourself?
I sure did.
Okay,
you know.
well, good.
Now it's the father's turn, and he's got his own side of the story. He says he didn't move back in for his ex. He did it for the kids. According to him, he's pulling his weight at home, watching the kids, cooking meals, cleaning the house, and driving trucks part-time. Their deal, he says, was simple. She'd work full-time, and he'd hold things down at home. But then the real storm rolls in. The infamous Cabo trip. That's when things go from financial to personal. The mom is furious, not just about money, but because he jetted off alone. She accuses him of cheating. He fires back, saying she knew about the trip and even gave him the green light. The judge quickly shuts down the drama. This courtroom isn't a talk show, but the emotional tension lingers. Back to the legal stuff. The dad admits he hasn't been handing over much cash, but argues that's because he's the one doing the daily parenting. His point: if they're living together and he's actively raising the kids, child support doesn't make much sense. And legally, he might just be right. Asterisk, asterisk.
I think I was cheating on her down there. You
Okay.
know? Well, I need a break.
Well, you guys are already
I'm taking care of the
divorced.
kids while she trying to work. I'm taking care of the kids.
Well, you
know.
all are already divorced. So at this point, you're asking that he be placed on child support, correct?
Correct.
Okay. No, that's not happening. There is no way that he can be placed on child support and the kids live in the same home
That's
as
right.
him. That's
That's
So
right.
I
that
just
cannot
need to
happen.
kick him out again then.
Well, you know, that's
That
up to
way
you.
he'll
That-
get a job and I can get some money.
That's up to you on what you all decide to do. But as of today, as for now, legally, I cannot place him on child support and the kids
That's what I
reside
told you.
under the.
You didn't tell
Excuse
me
me.
that.
I
You know
tried to
what?
tell you that.
Man.
You know what? I'm going to go
tried to
ahead
tell
and
you
tell
that.
you what I'm going to do.
I'm sorry.
The answer is no
Sorry,
to you.
Joanna.
No, don't be sorry. Be careful. Okay.
Okay.
Now I've already given you instructions.
Yes, ma'am.
And both of you have deliberately disregarded what I said. You can't get child support and the kids reside in the same home as he. Okay.
That's fine. I got
Okay,
my
so-
plan already.
So here,
You ain't got no
okay.
plan.
Well, here's the plan for this for today. Do you have any other questions?
Yes.
One. What is it?
Can I kick him out without?
I'm not answering that question. Do you have any other questions in regards to what I said?
Yes.
What is that?
Is it still legal? Like I can just throw his clothes on the curb and then?
Okay,
I can-
I'll go ahead. I see you came here.
I won't get in
Excuse me.
trouble.
I see you came here to waste my time.
Yeah, I
So
know.
I'll move
I
along.
just need
Sir,
some
do
more
you have
money.
any other questions?
Your Honor,
No, it's a yes or no. Do you have any other questions about what I just said about my ruling?
I ain't got no question what you said. 'cause
Okay, the
she-
plan is for you guys to leave my courtroom because you are dismissed.
And then the judge lays it all out. No confusion, no loopholes. Child support cannot be ordered when both parents are living under the same roof. Period. The mother looks visibly frustrated, but the law is black and white. If he's living in the home and part of the kid's daily life, he's not legally required to pay child support. She tries to push back, even hinting that she'll kick him out just to qualify. But the judge isn't having it. This isn't a game, and court orders aren't tools for leverage. If she wants financial support from him, he'll need to move out first. That's when things take a wild turn. The mother asks if she can legally toss his clothes onto the front lawn to force him out. The judge shuts that down immediately. This case is about legal rights, not revenge. And no, you can't manufacture a legal separation just to get child support. The judge delivers the final verdict with a clear message. You can't collect child support from someone who lives with their kids, even if they make less, even if they aren't meeting your expectations. If they're physically present in parenting, the law doesn't consider them absent. The mother isn't happy, but the ruling stands. If she wants full financial independence, she'll have to make a choice. Keep living together or go her own way. Case closed. Because in the eyes of the court, you can't have it both ways. You can't let someone live rent-free in your house and expect them to write you a check at the same time. This case is a tough reminder. Financial fairness and legal obligation aren't always the same thing. And today, the law made that crystal clear. Asterisk, asterisk.